Hello everyone, this is Adam on Adam's Toys Reviews and More. Just letting you know that there will be a interesting video of this guy pretty soon. I have took 2 weeks to get this guy to a interesting condition or shape. Just letting you know that this has been quite an interesting journey on actually getting this thing to a interesting stop, because there was a lot that went on to get this guy to a point where everything now amazingly has interesting results. I'm not going to say if he works or if he doesn't, because I already know what it is. I know what happened, and let me just tell you that I am very, very pleased with myself. I don't normally say that I'm happy with myself a lot, but with this and how it's turned out, I'm shocked that I've got it to this stage. Considering that this fellow or this Santa has travelled all the way from Australia, he was really dirty. The face was dirty, the hands were dirty, boots were dirty, clothes were dirty, even though they're not on, but they're getting repaired and replaced. When I got him, the hands were loose. The actual arms, I meant, were loose. The body and the mechanism was loose. Those boots were loose. And I didn't even think at that point, oh God, what have I got myself into? Because I already knew what was coming. He has had to have a lot of repairs done to him. First of all, when I first opened him up, I cleaned the face. I re-screwed and realigned the arms, because those were easy to do. Then I opened the back, because Santa has a back panel, but it doesn't work like a normal rock-along Santa where you've got screw there, or 3 screws. It does not work that way with this. Because if I told you that there's 3 screws that you have to unscrew after you've accessed the back panel, to access the mechanism, to access the speaker, to access the drive belt, it's mad. And you have to do it reverse when you put him back together, because you have to put the mechanism back together first, then put the belly back on, then put the front shoulder piece back on, then put the arms and the head back on, then put the back shoulder piece on, then the back panel. Then you have to realign the legs inside so that it would dance properly. And that's how you basically do that, to open him up and to put him back together again. It was like a jigsaw puzzle, to be honest. But I got there at the end, and like I said, there will be an interesting results video coming soon. But let me just say that the mechanism inside has been realigned and readjusted and has got a new drive belt. The speaker has been replaced because it had a crappy one to begin with. The AC adapter port has had to have the wires reversed because something has happened, magically happened after I did that. And I had to readjust and clean the volume control because of since this Santa has a volume control, it controls how loud or how soft you want the volume to be, and I redone that. Oh, I also forgot to mention that the motor was really stuck. It was stuck, frozen, and I had to twist it a few times for it to work again or to come loose. And let me just say that I'm happy with the results of what I've done. I know a lot of people don't know how much of a mess he was, but trust me, he was a big heap of a mess. And as you can see, he is clean now. His clothes are getting repaired and also replaced because the pants or the trousers that Santa had on to begin with had a big, huge, gaping hole from the back. The front was okay, you know, you could see that, but it's the little things that make a big difference, and that's what happened when I got him. There was a big, huge gaping hole. There was even two holes on one of the trouser legs. This leg had holes. The trousers did, and the fur around that trousers was also loose and was getting unstitched. So you can understand how long it's took to get it to this stage, and there's nothing more for me to say than expect the unexpected and hope to show you the interesting results soon. So this is me, Adam Walker from Adam's Toys Reviews and More, signing off. Video coming soon. Let me know what you guys think, and bye for now. Bye.